Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue our coin clicker game. So let's continue. So in here I added a go to front layer block here, just in case. So now we're going to make a new sprite, paint it. We're going to make it fill it white color, outline black, take 4, and then I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Go. And then we'll put it in 0, y 0. And then we'll call this shop 2. And then let's go to shop. Okay. Let's go to shop 2. When green flag clicked, we will hide. And then for when I receive open shop, we will show. Go to x0, y0. And then that's it. We'll add new sprite. And okay. We will fill it with white too. A circle one. Hold down shift to make a perfect circle. And then here we will add some upgrades. So we'll type down here plus 20. Plus 20. Fill it with black. Then we'll put it here. Okay. Wait. Very important. Okay. So we'll name this icon. And then we will put it here. So now if you open shop, there you go. So here, when green flag clicked, we will hide. And then when I receive open shop, we will show. We will go to X in that position. And then actually, okay, we'll go to costumes. I will add something. We'll fill it with black, hold down shift, and then use the reshape tool to make a triangle. Okay, put it right here, horizontal. Okay, so I go to code, and then here, when this sprite clicked, we will broadcast close shop, and then we will hide. Let's go to shop. So when I receive close shop, actually going to put it here. Then when green flag clicked, we'll broadcast close shop, and then There you go. So here. Okay. Let's go to icon. When I receive open shop, you'll go to X there. And then forever, if else, touching mouse pointer, we will set brightness effect to -10, and then we will set brightness effect 0, and then here we'll add another variable. We'll call it cache for sprite. Let's go to coin. When this sprite clicked, we will change cache by 10. Wait. Yeah. And then let's try that. And then we'll set cache to 0 at the very beginning. Cut. There you go. Okay, 120. So let's go to icon. So here, we're going to put an if else in the outside operators. The more than cache is more than. Oh, let's go to costumes. We'll type here 1000. Make it small. Put it here. So let's go back to icon. If cache is more than 999, then we'll do that. Else, we will set brightness effect to -30. Control. If mouse down, we will broadcast let's say +20. And then we'll set brightness effect to -30. So let's wait until it is. So let's try it until 1000. And shot here. You press. There you go. So wait. Let's try that one more time. So that doesn't work. Okay, so let's go to coin. When I receive +20. Wait. Actually, we'll add another variable. We'll make it cache per click for all sprite. We'll set it. And then we'll set cache per click to 10. And then we'll change cache by cache per click. And then we go into icon. In here, we'll delete this. And then we'll set cache per click to 20, and then, so let's try that. Oh, wait, let me trick here. Set cash to 1000. So, set. Wait. And then here we'll change cash by negative 1000. And we'll press here. Okay. So let's click. Okay, that's 20. So now we'll go to text. We'll say costumes. We'll duplicate this. We'll change this to plus 20. Now we'll go to code. Wait. We will go to shop icon. We will broadcast here. Change. No. We'll broadcast to plus 20. And then we'll go to text. So when I receive plus 20, we will switch costume to costume 2. At the very beginning, we'll switch costume to costume 1. So let's try that. Okay, that's that. Oh, and then here, we'll add one more. So when I receive close shop, we will hide. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, that works. And then now, okay, the cash will go up by 20. So if you want to add more, like the 20, you can just duplicate the icon, put it below here, and then you will have to change cash per click variable here to make that. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.